Good morning traders, it's the 21st of January 2014. This is the first video of the FX index analysis. Normally I've just put an HTML page together, but I've decided to do a video overview. It's just as easy. What we can see here on the screen is the platform independent foreign exchange index analyzer. This is a Java application which sucks real-time data off the servers and displays indexed data for 5 time frames for major currencies, not currency pairs, currencies. So we're looking at the dollar index, the euro index, sterling index, Swiss franc, Canadian dollar, yen, Aussie dollar and Kiwi dollar. And you can see that we can see anything in blue indicates a positive value, anything in red a negative value. So right from the word go you can see immediately what's strong and what's weak. So we can see here on a monthly basis the Canadian dollar is the weakest of the lot and the strongest is the New Zealand dollar. What we can also do is, if we click the filters icon, a new table is displayed which then ranks the currencies into strength and weakness order across all the different time frames. So we can see here, obviously the strongest on the month, as I said, is the Kiwi dollar. Same thing on the week and on the day, and weakest across the board on all time frames is the Canadian dollar. So immediately it's obvious to you, if you're going to trade any of these, well, say for example you're going to trade the daily time frame, that your best pair selections are going to involve the strongest and the weakest currencies, which in this case would give you a short Canadian dollar Kiwi dollar trade. So this is essentially the essence of index analysis. It allows you to very quickly see what the most optimized pair would be to trade, because you're basically just riding on the back of market flow and essentially securing your position based upon where the flows are in the market. What we can also do is we can use these filter controls down here to start to define a customized filter, so that when a currency fits within this green shaded block across all the different time frames, you'll be sent an alert, and also, if you wish to, an email alert. The system has a Yahoo email alert capability which you can set up over here. This is the Yahoo email address configuration area here. Once you set those up, you save your settings and off you go, and you'll get an alert when the conditions are triggered. So for example, if I start to broaden my filter conditions, so we're saying on the monthly time frame we want our currency to fall in the top 3 and the bottom 3, i.e. the 3 weakest and the 3 strongest. So giving it a broader selection, if you like. As you can see, it's starting to give us alerts. It's saying on the basis of these filter conditions, buy sterling CAD. So in this case it's saying, okay, sterling fits into all the top strongest filter components. So we can see GBP in every single time frame within our green filter selection, and Canadian dollar, as we've said before, is weakest across the board. And if we carry on increasing the width of the filter, if you like, making it broader and broader, you can see now we've got another alert being triggered here saying buy sterling yen. So, and the reason again is because you'll find that sterling fits within the green strongest conditions. So you can see it here, here and here, and the yen again fits within the weaker side across all the different filters. So this is an example of how to optimize your pair selection. It means you don't have to do all this top-down analysis stuff on loads and loads of different pairs, which can take ages. You can very quickly see what's going on. It's adaptive, so This is quite an unusual day actually, because we're seeing quite a lot of strength and weakness actually across all the different time frames. So without even looking at the actual sorted data, you just look at this, the main indicator here. It's obvious, it's obvious what you should be doing. So it's going to be short Canadian dollar positions, and then you're going to be looking for strength. Say for example you like trading on the hourly basis, you're going to be looking for something that's strong on the hourly. So again, sterling is coming up, so we're reinforcing this buy sterling CAD alert here, and in the same way got a slightly weak yen, so therefore another sterling yen trade would be opportune. In terms of your entries, you'd be looking to obviously go into the charts and then start to apply standard price action based support and resistance techniques, pivots, Fibonacci's if you wish to, and you'd be looking to time your entry based upon a retrace to a suitable support or resistance level. I'm not going to kind of talk about all that, so that's just basic trading. What I'm just talking about is the index analyzer and how that can substantially reduce the amount of pre-trade preparation you make each day, and also massively increase the chances of getting on the right side of the market by trading the pairs where the flows are. So I hope that's of interest to you. The index analyzer is available on a subscription basis, $9.95 a month, which is less than, well, about the same price as 2 pints of beer if you look at it like that. And that could really make the difference between success and failure in terms of picking the right pairs at the right time when you're trying to trade FX. So I hope this is of interest and useful. If you'd like to see more details, it's available on the website, which is www.fxalgotrader.com. Thanks for watching.